Hi guys! Magandang buhay! Welcome to our first vlog. Welcome! Pero ako nahihiya. Welcome to our first vlog guys. Hello! So we just arrived here in Boracay and it's now 11:22 a.m. We're actually having lunch na. We're here at Haraan. Actually, this is one of our favorite go-to restaurants here. So, later I'm gonna show you guys the food. So, yan guys. Ito yung food natin for today. First lunch natin sa Boracay. Ito yung baked oyster nila. Yan, favorite namin to. And then, sizzling chili squid. So, ito yung mga lunch natin for today. May langaw. Good. Next ako, guys. Because masarap to. Yan. Isa to sa mga inaabangan ko for this year's Boracay. Kasi na-miss ko to. Grabe. Ang sarap ng oyster nila dito. Ano mo, guys? Sarap. Sarap. Walang halong etos. Mas-try naman tong squid. Ngayon namin ito na-try. Hindi pa namin ito na-try. Nice. Kain. Very squid. Very squid. Masarap. Ulit. Hello, so kakatapos lang namin kumain and we're walking back papunta sa hotel and tingnan niyo yung beach, ang ganda. Yan, ang ganda ng beach. Walang lumot. First time ko to mag-summer sa Boracay na walang lumot. So, ang ganda pala dito, magpunta like in the middle of May kasi may mga spots na walang lumot. And by the way, we're on station 3. So, I'm not sure kung wala ring lumot sa station 2 and station 1. We have not yet visited those two stations. So, yun. Let's see tomorrow. Hi guys, we just checked in sa first hotel natin dito sa Boracay, which is Marzon Beach Resort. And as you can see, ang nice ng room. We booked the beachfront room. And look at the view. Ang ganda ng view ng room. Bongga. Diba? Harap na harap talaga as in, guys. Like, kapag lumabas kayo, labas tayo. Labas tayo. And, yan. Look at the view. Ganda. It's so nice. Ang ganda, guys. Sobrang ganda. As in, wait lang. Harap kayo. Yan. This is actually located in Station 3. So, as you can see, hindi na siya malumot sa area na to. Ayan. Ang ganda. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. Ganda. So, balik tayo sa loob. Ito yung bed natin. Bongga siya. Taray. Medyo boho vibe. Tama ba ako? Boho vibe? I don't know. And meron naman silang TV. Pero hindi naman tayo masyado nanonood whenever we travel. So, decoration lang yung TV. Ito, parang pwede na siya maging extra bed. Bongga. Hello guys. Yon. Gusto ko na mag-swim. Kasi tingnan mo naman, tinatawag na ako ng dagat, eh. Ayan oh my gosh. Gusto ko na maligo. So, wala tayong mga masyadong agenda today. We just wanna relax kasi um, this is the third destination na binisita natin for this year. Pero I still wanna share with you guys yung experience natin dito sa Boracay as part of the first vlog. Ayan, hello sa mga mini followers natin. Sa mga ilang followers, hello. So yun, relax lang tayo. Yan. Yan lang, I'll be back. So, yun guys. I decided na habang nag-unpack is kwento ko na lang kung how we went from the airport to Boracay Island. This is actually DIY, somehow DIY trip. So first, pagkalapag namin ng Katiklan is we went to the tricycle hub. So that's gonna be 175 pesos if I'm not mistaken for one tricycle. Tapos ang kasya lang dun is dalawa. So, 175 na yun. Pagdating namin ng Jettyport, so tinry namin yung pumila, which is hindi naman hassle since hindi naman ganun kadami yung tao. First step, syempre, they need to verify yung accommodation mo. Kasi walang hingi sila ng proof. And then, ID din. After that, you will pay 150 pesos each. I forgot kung para saan yun. Kasi that's the second step. And then, another 150 pesos for the environmental fee. That's the third step. Then the fourth step is yung para sa boat fee, which is 50 pesos. After nun, mga like 15 to 20 minutes boat ride, darating na kayo sa Boracay Island. Since medyo mainit itong pag-arrive namin, we decided na wag na lang lumabas nung port and magpara ng e-trike. I'm not sure if transfer service yun. Hindi ko alam. Pero first time ko makita yun, Boracay Express. Sila na yung magbubook ng e-trike. And then, that's 175 pesos isang tricycle. Papunta na yun dito sa accommodation namin. So, from the port, from Boracay Port to hotel. Kaso, the catch is, I just wanna share na lang din as well. Dito sa accommodation namin, first accommodation sa Marzone, wala siyang direct na daanan from the main road papunta dito sa hotel. Merong isang daanan na malapit dito sa Station 3, malapit sa hotel. Doon kayo lalabas, doon kayo hahatid. Then you have to walk from that butas, let's just call it butas, papunta dito sa Marzone. So, ganoon siya. So, from the port, hinatid kami dun sa butas papuntang Station 3. And then, from the butas, naglakad kami papunta dito sa accommodation. Hindi naman hassle. Kasi number one, ang ganda ng view. As you saw earlier, ang ganda ng view. And ang peaceful dito sa Station 3. And then, at the same time, hindi naman siya ganun kalayo, malapit lang. Siguro mga almost 10 minutes walk. Basta hindi siya ganun kalayo dun sa butas to Marzone. So, yun lang. I just wanna share that to you guys. So, I'm just gonna continue unpacking para makaligo na tayo. So, yeah. Hi guys, good morning. It's now 9:50 a.m. and we just finished mag-ayos. Medyo late tayo nagising today kasi pagod from the biyahe kahapon since day 1. So, we're now gonna take our free breakfast dito sa Marzon Beach. Hindi sila buffet breakfast, it's a plated breakfast. So, I'll show you later. Tara, let's have a breakfast! So, this is our breakfast for today. So, ito corned beef and longganisa with this view. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Bongga, 'di ba? Ganda, sarap kumain pag ganyan yung view nyo, guys.